Three big secrets of the top 5% achievers. Una is get your excuses in half and double the action you take. So, ibig sabihin nito, dalawa lang naman yan. Either magte-take ka ng action or makikinig ka sa mga excuses mo. Hindi mo kasi pwedeng pagsabayin to eh. And syempre, kailangan lang talaga pag may excuse tayo, syempre, mahanap talaga natin yan kung ano talaga yung excuse natin. Lagi tayo may dahilan. Pero kapag gusto mo talagang maging successful, hahanap ka talaga ng paraan. Kaya nga, winners find way to become winner. And pangalawa, leave the herd. Huwag kang sasama sa 90% ng average people. So, kasi ang average people or most people gossip too much, drink too much, worry too much, and complain too much. Diba? So, baligtad ang gagawin natin. And pangatlo, dig grit. Ibig sabihin, huwag kang mag-give up.